In this episode, I'll demonstrate how to flow paint using acrylic paints and apple barrel pouring medium. First, I squirt about a ½ ounce of yellow flame into a disposable cup, a ½ ounce of jack-o'-lantern into another cup, and a ½ ounce of wicker white into a third cup. I then pour a ½ ounce of pouring medium into each cup. The idea is half and half paint and medium. If you notice bubbles, let your mixtures rest before pouring. I start with the white paint mixture and randomly pour it over the surface of my canvas. Don't be too concerned about the pattern you make, just let it flow organically. Next, I do the same with the yellow flame. And finally, I pour on the jack-o'-lantern. And then the magic happens. Tip your canvas from side to side and let the paint do its thing. Change tipping direction to create the marbled pattern. Yes, paint is going to drip off the edges. That's okay. You want to coat the sides of your canvas also. Keep moving the paint around the canvas to get the look you want. Once you've covered your canvas completely and are happy with the pattern, set the canvas flat on your protected surface to dry for 24 hours. I then sprayed mine with several coats of Mod Podge Ultra to protect the surface. Once dry, it's ready to display.